Entrepreneur derived from a French word entreprendre, that means to undertake. French word. In 16th century, the Frenchmen who organized the late military expeditions were referred to as the entrepreneurs. The Frenchmen who organized the late military expeditions were referred to as the entrepreneurs. Who introduced the term entrepreneur first time in business and when? Richard Cantillon first introduced the term entrepreneur in 18th century. Entrepreneur takes risk of starting a new organization or a new source of raw material, introducing a new idea or product or service to society or market. Creates new wealth and employment by producing new socially viable products by using raw materials. And takes opportunities to increase the demand of that new product. Combines various factors of production. 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. According to Richard Cantillon, who is an entrepreneur? According to Richard Cantillon, an entrepreneur buys some factors of production at certain prices. Then combine those factors of production to make a product. Then he or she sells this product at an uncertain price, taking risk or selling at higher prices to create the demand or profit. Entrepreneur definition was given by J.B. Joseph Schumpeter, Richard Cantillon, Weber in 1930, Adam Smith, Karl Marx, Noah Webster, Oxford Dictionary, Encyclopedia Britannica on social economic context. J.B. Joseph Schumpeter, Richard Cantillon, Weber in 1930, Adam Smith, Karl Marx and Noah Webster. 3 dimensions of entrepreneurship. First is entrepreneur, second is enterprise and third is environment or ecosystem. 3 dimensions. Entrepreneurship, creation of wealth. Entrepreneurship means creation of wealth. Enterprise can be small or large. Enterprise is an offshoot of an entrepreneur. So enterprise is nothing but the offshoot of an entrepreneur. 3 types of entrepreneurship are there. First is social entrepreneurship, using entrepreneurial or business principle to reduce the social problem and to bring social changes and create social capital. Social entrepreneurship is associated with voluntary and non-profit sectors. Example is Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. Associated with voluntary and non-profit sector, example is Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. Social entrepreneurship. The second is corporate entrepreneurship, CE. It is a formal and non-formal process to create new business products or services inside of an existing organization. Example, eChoupal by ITC. eChoupal by ITC is under the type corporate entrepreneurship, a formal and informal process. The third is the corporate social entrepreneurship, CAC, organizational transformation for social change. It improves and develops more powerful CSR or corporate social responsibility. It refers to the philanthropy. So CSR or corporate social responsibility is included under which type of entrepreneurship? Corporate social entrepreneurship. Example, organic coffee production in Chiapas, Mexico by Starbucks plus Conservation International that fostered the income through organic coffee production. A manager is an employee in an enterprise. A manager, he or she takes short and medium term decisions. Not long term. Short and medium term decisions are taken by manager. Entrepreneur is intuitive approach. He operates from outside. Owner or intrapreneur, an employee in an organization who innovates products and services in that organization. Restorative approach. Intrapreneur, restorative approach. Entrepreneur, intuitive approach. Intrapreneur operates from inside. Entrepreneur operates from outside. Intrapreneur term was first coined by United States in America in late 1970s. Intra plus preneur, intra-corporate entrepreneur. Definition was given by Heritage Dictionary. So the term intrapreneur was first coined by United States of America in late 1970s. Intra plus preneur, intra-corporate entrepreneur. Definition was given by Heritage Dictionary. Functions of entrepreneur according to Amaranth and Samvel 2008. Initiation, choice of location, innovation, coordination, risk, uncertainties and search for necessary alternatives, persuasive leadership, money or profit making measure. According to Amaranth and Samvel 2008. 5 factors responsible for the entrepreneurship. How many factors are responsible for entrepreneurship or how many factors that affect the entrepreneurship? 5 types of factors. First is, according to Amaranth and Samvel 2008, traditional factors, family tradition, religious, social, ethical and cultural factors, psychological factors, political system factors, economic policy factors of government, and other financial institutions. According to Verma and Maheshwara Rao and Kumar 2006, characteristics of entrepreneur. Calculated risk taker. Which type of risk taker? Calculated risk taker. Innovator, organizer, creative, achievement motivated, technically competent, self-confident, socially responsible, optimistic, equipped with capability to drive, blessed with mental ability, human relations ability, communication ability, decision making ability, business planning, a venture capitalist. Which type of capitalist are entrepreneurs? A venture capitalist, visionary. Entrepreneurs make significant differences in society, ability to spot and exploit opportunities, courage to face adversities or difficulties, and leadership. So characteristics of entrepreneur are included according to Verma and Maheshwara Rao and Kumar 2006. 3 school of thoughts about an entrepreneur. First is entrepreneurs are born creative, or entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs that are born creative are called born entrepreneurs. Research analysis on 500 successful entrepreneurs from different parts of the world. Research analysis was done by Jacobitz, a professor of psychology. Started entrepreneurship at, according to him, those 500 successful entrepreneurs started their entrepreneurship at early ages. 4 qualities of entrepreneurship according to Jacobitz: restlessness, independence, tendency to be loner, and extreme self-confidence. Entrepreneurial DNA are in individuals or born entrepreneurs, proposed by Learned in 1992, but science has not proved it. So first is the entrepreneurs are born, or called born entrepreneurs. They are creative. Research analysis on 500 successful entrepreneurs from different parts of world by Jacobitz, a professor of psychology. According to him, these entrepreneurs started their entrepreneurship at early stages of life. 4 qualities of entrepreneurs by the research analysis according to Jacobitz are restlessness, independence, tendency to be loner, and extreme self-confidence. Entrepreneurial DNA are in the individuals or born entrepreneurs, proposed by Learned in 1992, but science has not proved it. The second type of school of thought is entrepreneurs are made. According to McClelland 1987, economic activities can be increased by training the business to make entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are made. It is a causal relationship between casual relationship between desire for achievement and business activity. So entrepreneurs are made according to McClelland 1987. Economic activities can be increased by training of business to make entrepreneurs, a causal relationship or casual relationship between desire for achievement and business activity. The third school of thought is entrepreneurs are event oriented. An individual become an entrepreneur by out of an event. According to Knudsen et al. 2004, by losing one's job, an individual can become an entrepreneur by losing one's job, threat of bankruptcy, loss of a significant one, frustration on his job that he is doing, discovering a marketplace or gap. Entrepreneurship are event oriented according to Knudsen et al. in 2004. Types of entrepreneurs. So types of entrepreneurs: 5 types. Basis of 5 types, or based on 5 types. First is based on business: trading entrepreneurs, manufacturing entrepreneurs, and agricultural entrepreneurs. Trading entrepreneurs procure finished product manufacturers and sell this to customers directly or by a retailer. These trading entrepreneurs are also called as middlemen or wholesalers or dealers or retailers between these manufacturers and customers. Second type is manufacturing entrepreneurs. Manufacture or produce the product to satisfy customer needs. Agricultural entrepreneurs or agripreneurs do wide agricultural activities like cultivation, marketing of agricultural products, irrigation, mechanization and technology. So based on type of business, three types of entrepreneurs: trading, manufacturing, and agricultural. Second is based on Clarence-Danhoff classification. Clarence-Danhoff classification given by Clarence-Danhoff. Clarence-Danhoff classification. First is innovative entrepreneurs. Bring a transformation in life cycle. Create new ideas, new markets. Introduce new combinations of factors of production. Innovative entrepreneurs, according to Clarence-Danhoff. The second is the imitative or adoptive entrepreneurs. Adopt successful innovations introduced by other innovators. Initiate the existing entrepreneurs. Initiate the existing entrepreneurship and set up their enterprise in the same manner. Helpful in less developed countries. They are the agents of economic development. So imitative or adoptive entrepreneurs are helpful in less developed countries. Fabian entrepreneurs, timid and cautious or skeptical. They adopt others' innovations if only they think that or they are sure about that new technology would be fruitful for their enterprise. They are not adaptable to changing environment. They live to remain in existing business with age-old techniques of production. Fabian entrepreneurs. The fourth type is the drone type of entrepreneurs. Conservative or orthodox type of entrepreneurs. They use only their traditional or business system or old-fashioned system. Instead of taking the new technologies, they refuse to adopt new changes even at risk of reduced returns. Drone entrepreneurs only adopt one or two innovations. They are laggards. Drone entrepreneurs are also called as laggards. They only take one or two innovations. So according to Clarence-Danhoff classification, four types of entrepreneurs: innovative, imitative or adaptive, Fabian, and drone. Based on use of technology, technical entrepreneurs and non-technical entrepreneurs. Technical entrepreneurs, technology and science-based industrialists. Non-technical entrepreneurs use alternative and imitative methods of marketing. Based on ownership, three types of entrepreneurs based on ownership. First is private and entrepreneurs. Set up business or enterprise as an individual or sole owner. Bear entire risk of his enterprise. State entrepreneurs, trading or industrial venture is undertaken by the state or a state government. Joint entrepreneurs, a private and entrepreneur plus government jointly run a business enterprise. So three types of entrepreneurs are included in the ownership: private entrepreneurs, state and joint entrepreneurs. The fifth type of entrepreneurs based on gender. First is men entrepreneurs, business enterprises controlled by a man or men. Women entrepreneurs, entrepreneurship owned and controlled by a woman or women having a minimum 51% of financial interest of capital and minimum 51% of employment are generated towards women. So what is the criteria of being to be a woman and entrepreneur? Entrepreneurship owned and controlled by a woman if only he or she is having a minimum 51% of financial interest of capital and minimum 51% of employment is generated towards that woman. Other types of entrepreneurs: solo operators, set up business individually or in the form of proprietorship. So proprietorship is included in which type of entrepreneurs? Solo operators. Active partners, entrepreneurs jointly build enterprise by their own resources. Inventors do R&D or research and development activities, produce new products and methods of production, creative in nature. So R&D or research and development technology is included under which type of entrepreneurs? Inventors. Then the fourth type is challengers. Take challenges to establish their business venture as a mark of achievement. They improve their standard, convert their odds or difficulties into opportunities and make profit. The fifth type is buyers or entrepreneurs. Buyers (entrepreneurs) explore opportunities to purchase existing units or units in running condition. So other types of entrepreneurs, 5 other types of entrepreneurs: solo operators, active partners, inventors, challengers and buyers (entrepreneurs). Inventor, expert idea generator. Entrepreneur, personal achiever. Promoter, empathic super salesperson. Manager, administrator, real manager. Management skills and business know-how high towards entrepreneur and manager, and creative innovation high towards inventor, entrepreneur, and low towards promoter and manager, and management skills and business know-how low towards inventor and entrepreneur. Inventor, expert idea generator. Entrepreneur, personal achiever. Promoter, empathic super salesperson, and manager, administrator, real manager.